Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Kaden
and Grant.
Today, we're making buckeyes.
Buckeyes.
If you like chocolate
And peanut butter.
these are perfect for you.
And I still don't know what a buckeye is.
First, we start off with 3 tablespoons of butter. Check. And now a half of a cup of creamy peanut butter.
No, me.
You gave up. How we already used this much?
Now time to use 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Oh! Now it's time to mix all of this.
Mozzarella pizza.
So now let's start rolling, but first we have to roll our seeds up.
Hi, Claire. Can I get your order?
Now that our peanut butter balls are rolled, it's time to put them in the fridge. Now it's time to melt our chocolate. Done. Now it's time to dip our peanut butter balls in the chocolate.
Whoa.
Ew! Now it's time to put these back into the freezer.
Oh, it's cold.
All right, now that they're done, it's time to taste test.
Woohoo!
How are we all so good at cooking? These are the best. And that's how you make buckeyes. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.
Bye. I didn't mean to say buckeyes. I meant to say butt-eyes.
Mozzarella pizza.
Now that the peanut butter balls are roared,
He told me to. Still don't know what buckeyes are.
buckeyes are. Are you recording?